I have all that I need in order to succeed. I am motivated. I am powerful. My behavior is aligned with my balanced state of mind. Everything that I do serves my goals without affecting others. Each day I completely trust my intuition. I am healthy. I am beautiful. I am wise. I am made with the purpose of doing great things. I am a perfect partner for my perfect partner. I am a magnet attracting abundance in my life. Fear is just a feeling. I overcome it and I move forward. I am successful in any area of my life. I am polite and respectful with any person that I meet. I am patient. I am the only one who can stop me. Everything is good right here, right now. I trust the universe that I am doing my best, no matter the situation. I am loyal. I am at peace with myself. I respect myself, and everything that I do is meant to fulfill me. I am open-minded, and I fully take advantage of all opportunities surrounding me. All my relationships have a purpose, and they fulfill me. I choose to see all the opportunities surrounding me. Prosperity surrounds me. Prosperity fulfills me. Prosperity flows towards me and through me. I am able to do amazing things. I am worthy. I am balanced. Everything that I need comes to me at the right moment. I am powerful and present in my own life. I am more than enough. I am full-hearted. I am special. I cannot change another person. I just let others be themselves, and I simply and solely love myself. I am at ease with the uncontrollable things happening in my life. I am ready for any challenges. I focus on the good in any given situation. I am aware of my mistakes and I learn from them. I make good decisions. I feel admiration for everything surrounding me. I am calm and relaxed in any circumstances. I am the creator of my own life. I build its foundation and I choose its content. I am fair. I accept responsibility if my bad reactions hurt people around me. I am intelligent. I replace my anger with understanding and compassion. I offer an apology to those affected by my anger. I may not understand the good in this situation, but it is there. I am optimistic. I choose to see the good and the positive in every situation. I am humble. I kindly ask for help and guidance if I cannot see a better way. I am a fighter. I refuse to give up because I know that I have the tools to succeed.